My name is Mike, and I represent Health Sciences Association of Alberta and 27,000 frontline workers. And on behalf of all of those workers, thank you to the labour movement. Thank you to all of you for joining. This is far from over. Our unions are not going anywhere, and we will not back down from Kenny. The workers united will never be defeated. The workers united will never be defeated.
The workers united will never be defeated. The workers united will never be defeated.
My friends, I'm bringing up another special guest, President of UNA, Heather Schmidt. Come on up and say hi.
It's COVID clear, are you sure? Mike's developing a real relationship with these megaphones, and he's going to have lots of opportunity to use it in the future, I predict, because this is not the last. Yeah, as Mike said, we're here to thank AUPE members who took job action last week, standing up for our public health care system, and I loved the chant that was going on earlier. Outsource Shandro. Outsource Shandro.
Outsource Shandro. Outsource Shandro. Outsource Shandro.
Thank you, AUPE members.
To all those that are on the front lines, to my right, your left is a giant billboard. And I want to thank Tom Hesse and UFCW, Private Sector Work, for bringing this sign to support this fight back. Tom Hesse.
Hello. Good morning, everybody. We view that at the UFCW. We view this very simply. We represent 32,000 workers, 500 or more work in healthcare. Many bring food to the tables of Albertans, and in many ways they're on the front line as well. We are here to help, to thank AUPE members and all healthcare workers from all unions for the work that they do, and this is a simple matter for us. This is about right and wrong. No one of good conscience and no policymaker beats up on people who are taking care of others ever. No good person, no individual, no government ever does that is charged with the responsibility of taking care of people. There is a debate going on in this world every single day, and the debate is between those who would be mean and cruel and count pennies and crush people, and between people and good people of good conscience, people who care for others, caregivers, altruists, collectivists. We're watching it on the news. We're feeling it at this moment. And I stand with you for goodness and for doing the right thing by good working people. It is that simple. Solidarity, brothers and sisters.
I have the privilege of representing the front lines of healthcare. But with us today, our special guest, Christina Gray. She is on the front lines at the legislature fighting Kenny. Christina Gray.
Brothers and sisters, I am here on behalf of Rachel Notley and the NDP official opposition in the legislature, including my colleagues Chris Nielsen and John Carson, who are out here today, and many others who visited the wildcatting AUPE workers who were so brave and went out just the previous Monday. And we want to say thank you to those workers because they proved an important point, which is they are frontline healthcare workers. Jason Kenney, Tyler Shandro, and those arrogant MLAs who think they understand and think that they can push forward their agenda are wrong. And you here today and those workers are showing them they are wrong. And I am only here to say that Rachel Notley and our official opposition are here to stand with you
today. Number one, a big shout out again to all members of AUPE who took the courageous step to launch this fight back. Thank you all. And at noon, University Hospital. There's something up in the North Country. If you're going to Calgary today, there's a rally there too. We also have workers fighting and have been on strike at Cesco on 99th Street for bloody near 6 months. Get on those lines, get your warm boots on, and let's rally!